Someone comes up and pushes you onto the railroad track. There's the railroad track. There's the assailant. There you are. Go ahead. Okay. You are not going to fall on the railroad track. Okay? Do Zempo. Do a forward one. With the kick, you're not going to fall on the railroad track. Okay. Closer to the railroad track, coming at you, you're going to subaki. Your assailant just landed in the railroad track. Okay, Peter, I'm not showing too much of your face if you don't mind.
Okay.
I want to show your feet. Other side. Careful, don't go out the window there either. Okay. From Sokoho. You actually saved your assailant from, or tried to save your assailant from falling on the railroad track.
I did.
Sokoha the other way. Okay, he's gone. All right. Very good.